Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve when 4 under root 4% plus under root 49% is given. So we can write 4% as under root 4 over 100 and 49 as 49 over 100%. Now we can write 4 as 2 times 2 and 100 as 10 times 10. Similarly, 49 as 7 times 7 and 100 as 10 times 10. So if there is a square root and there are two pairs inside, so we can take out the one pair. So in the numerator, we can take 1, 2 outside, and from the denominator, we can take 10 outside. Similarly, in this case, we can take 7 outside and 10 outside. Now there is an addition sign and there are the fraction terms in fractions. So we have to take the LCM. So LCM is 10 and the numerator is 2 plus 7, that is 9 over 10. So and if we have to find in terms of percentage, so we have to multiply by 100. So eliminate the 1 0 with the last 0. So 9 times 10 is 90. So 90% we get the solution. I hope it's easy to solve and it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have another solution, you can comment down below. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.